Hey everybody, Lance the Option Teacher here. This video I'm going to go over the SRX trades I did today. Another really good day on it. First trade, so the EMA is down on SPY. It's happened right at the levels that enter in at 850 Central. So I entered here, 695 put, pretty much right at the money here. Took 3 contracts at 1.43. And then did see a little bit of an up move. Then we saw a down move again. I did close 2 of them a little bit early at 1.48. But then I left the runner on. The key to the runners are move your stop to break even. So once I closed at 1.48, I immediately moved my stop to the 1.43. It kept dropping and I closed it at 1.86. So overall, very good trade. I should have taken the first 2 contracts for a little bit more profit, but that runner with 1.43 to 1.86, that's a really good gain. Just looking at a calculator, 186 minus 143, $43 on the contract, divide by 143. That was 30% on the runner contract. As you'll see, this happened in a 5-minute candle. So making 30% on one runner contract in less than 5 minutes, really good. This was the confirmation on Thinkorswim. 8:55, 9 seconds later, entered at 1.43. A minute and a half later, closed 1.48. And then literally another minute later, 1.86. These are very easy trades to enter in on Active Trader. I'm going to show a video of how I was managing that on a different trade shortly. But on Active Trader, you just mark it into the order, and then you could set your stop and set your profit target. Next trade, 908. This was with IWM. I don't know if I saved that one. Let's look at this one. So 3 contracts with 264 put, entered in 1.25, closed 2 out at 1.34, and then I moved my stop down to 1.25 again. The runner went and closed at 1.51. Look at IWM real quick. All right, so this trade was taken at, let me double check. Those the keys. All right, 908. Zoom in a bit. So 908, see the EMA down. Entered in 908.39. And then I closed it out a few minutes later. It did move up right afterwards, so I was able to get a good exit right at the next candle. Here's another trade that I did where it was at the Qs. Close that out. Qs, this was a decent win. 2.33, the 618 puts. Closed 2 at 2.45, and then the runner was pretty much break even. This was at 924 on the Qs. This was the 924, bought the puts, and closed after. It did stop out when it went back up. All right, let me look at third trade. Another good one with IWM. 1028 Central, bought 6 contracts at 0.83. Closed 2 at 0.93, $10. Closed 2 more at 1.05, another $12. Closed the last 2 at 1.25. This was at 1028 for IWM. You can see that there were two separate alerts here for the EMA at 1020. You also saw a break and retest because you see the wick touching this level of probably S2 as S1. 1028 right here. See the break and retest, sorry, right here. Once the retest happened, I entered in at 1028, a little bit early on the candle. Bought puts because when you see the break down here, the retest up here, notice in the end of the candle we closed lower. So at 1029, I closed most of the contracts, kept it a little bit longer to 1032, and then closed even more contracts here. Sorry. Yeah. I'll get it eventually. Okay. These are a few other little things that I noticed for today. IWM hit the max low. Right as it hit the max low at 1 o'clock, it immediately jumped up. If you do a reversal trade here, when it touches the max low and bought calls, we went from 258.61 all the way to 261, even higher, 262. That would be a really good trade. I didn't take that one, by the way. Last one, this is how I moved my stop and limit order. Did a video of this for members. Just want to show a trade I'm in. I already got out the two contracts. I'm on the runner. My stop is at 1.25. It's moving up. My stop's at 1.25. So if I look at the monitor tab, 1.25 is where I entered. 1.57. Active trader. I'm just going to move my stop up a little. Lock in a little bit more profit on the runner. Just stay in between this thing. It's moving. I don't want to be too tight on the differences here, but 1.5 is fine. Because I closed at 1.34 on the first, a little early on the first. And I'm just going to keep moving with this. So this is a good way to actually manage runner trades. You move your stop up as the premium contracts are worth more value. You could also move your limit up and just stay in between the stop and the limit. As I move my limit up, I am locking in more and more profits. So if you found this video helpful, click like, subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing these a few times a week, going over these trades. And real quick, let me show my total amount. First, this is a position size calculator. You can put in your account size, the risk per trade, and change the numbers if you want. This will calculate the max risk per trade. So if you stop out, in this case, if you had a $2,000 account and you're risking 5%, you don't want to risk more than $100. You can put in a stop loss percentage. And based on that, it's going to calculate your max position size. Meaning if I have a $2,000 account with these numbers, the total contracts want to add up to no more than $500. And then also you could enter in the contract price, and it'll tell you the recommended number of contracts. If it did a contract price of 1, it's going to say 5 contracts, because 5 times 1 is $500. So based on your account size and your risk and stop loss, you could have this calculate exactly how much you want. Current numbers for SRX. Total profit is $2,657. My average percent is 9.42% per trade. That includes the losses. We're at a 92.37% win rate. And since Friday, when I'm actually tracking a $2,000 account value, I already made $594. See on the spreadsheet and you join, you could see all the trades I did. I actually hit my first loss in about 40 or so trades. It's been an incredible streak lately. My last loss was on January 9th. I decided to only do one contract on this, so it wasn't really a much dollar loss in the end. But doing really well in these trades, as you can see, for 203, 11%, 12%, 3%, 24%, 16%. And I made $234 today. So again, if you find this interesting and you want to try it out, you can do a 1 month and see if you like it. Click the link in the description down below. You get access to SPY. And if you want to, you get add-on QQQ and IWM. Again, this is Lance, the Option Teacher. Hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.